This video will talk about measures of center. There are many ways to measure the center of a set of data. Here we will introduce 4 measures of center: mean, median, mode, and mid-range. So let's start from mean. Okay, what is the mean? So say I have a set of data. I have 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, for example, and I want to find the mean of this set of data. What you will do is add up all the numbers and divide it by the number of data values. So in this case, it will be 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. Right, divided by how many values do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is, do a quick calculation, that will be 10 here. 10 plus 16, 26, divided by 5, which is 5.2. Right, so 5.2 is the mean of the set of data. In the textbook, it is defined as the sum of all the values in the data set and divided by the number of data. And here we have two formulas. One is divided by little n, the other one is divided by the big N. What is the difference? The little n here is talking about in a sample. So sample mean. Here we're finding the sample mean. And another formula is talking about the population mean. It's going through the same calculation, but the symbols are different. For sample mean, you use X bar to represent the sample mean. And for population mean, we use letter mu. So mu means population mean, and X bar is the sample mean. And this symbol, wait a second, this symbol, excuse me, this symbol over here means the sum of, find the sum of. And X here is a variable representing the values in a data. So data value. So this means the sum of all the data values. In the data set. All right. Next, we will talk about median. Okay, what is a median? Median of a data set is the number right in the middle. If your data is organized in an increasing or decreasing order. So for example, if I have a set of data, I have 5, 3, 1, 8, 9, for example. This is my set of data. And to find the median, first step, you have to put it in an increasing order. So starting from, or decreasing order, I will do increasing order this time. So starting from the smallest value, which is 1, so increasing order, excuse me, order 1, and then the next biggest 3, next is 5, then it's 8, then it's 9. Okay, first put all your values in the increasing order. The number right in the middle will be your median. So in this case, will be this 5, right? Because we have 5 data values, and this value of 5 is the third value. It's right in the middle. So median here is 5. Okay, so say I have another set of data. Goes like, so example, goes like 2, 3, 8, 9, 1, for example. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more. Let's say 6. So this is my data. All right, I have 6 values here. So first I want to put all the values in the increasing order. Starting from the smallest, 1. Next is 2, then 3, then it's 6, 8, and 9. Right? So after that, you want to find the number right in the middle. But wait a second, here in the middle we have 2 values, 3 and 6. So what is the mean here? The mean here is, if you have even number of data values, your mean of the data set will be your median of the data set will be the mean of the middle 2 numbers. So in this case, the median for this data set is 3 plus 6 divided by 2. Just find the mean of those 2 numbers. That will be 9 divided by 2. 4.5 will be the median. Okay, next we'll talk about mode. So what is the mode of a data set? It is the value or values that has the highest frequency. So for example, if I have a data value that goes like this, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Right. So in this data set, the value with the highest frequency will be 1. Right. So the mode for this data set will be 1. Okay. So what if I have a set of data that goes like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. Okay. So for this data set, there are 2 numbers with the highest frequency, which is 1 and 2. Right? So here we have 2 modes. And one is 1 and the other one is 2. Okay. So what if I have a set of data that's like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each number, the frequency of each number is 1. And in this case, we call it no mode. No mode. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll talk about what is mid-range. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to calculate mid-range. The mid-range of a data set is the highest data value plus the lowest data value divided by 2. So I'll say maximum of the data value plus the minimum of the data value and divided by 2. So for example, if I have a data set that goes like this, 0, 1, 96, 100. Let's stop here. So I have a data set with these 4 values. The mid-range here will be the lowest data value, which is 0, plus the highest, the maximum data value, that's 10 and divided by 2. So 50 will be the mid-range here.